Evaluate the policies of Lord Curzon and their long-term implications on the national movements. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. Lord Curzon served as the Viceroy of India from 1899 to 1905 and implemented several significant policies that affected India's political, social, and economic landscape. Body. Key policies included Education Policy. The Universities Act of 1904 aimed to reform education but faced resistance from Indians who viewed it as an attempt to limit their growth and aspirations for self-governance. Partition of Bengal, 1905. This decision mobilized the Indian National Congress and various groups for self-rule, leading to Bengal's reunification in 1911. Foreign policies. Northwest Frontier Policy focused on consolidating British control in the region. Afghan policy aimed to counter Russian expansion and provided financial aid to Afghanistan. Tibet policy revived trade relations and secured British influence amidst fears of Russian dominance. Cooperative Credit Societies Act, 1904 promoted rural credit but also strengthened British control over the agrarian economy. Railway policy improved transportation and trade, but also facilitated economic exploitation by the British. Military policy modernized the Indian Army, leading to discontent among Indian officers and growing nationalist sentiments. Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, established to conserve cultural heritage. It also served to control India's cultural narrative. Conclusion. Curzon's policies heightened Indian nationalism and the desire for self-governance, contributing to revolutionary activities and the rise of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, who played crucial roles in India's struggle for independence.